Alright, let's settle this once and for all. Apple just dropped the brand new AirPods Pro 3, and of course the question on everyone's mind. Should you actually upgrade from the Pro 2, or stick with what you've got? Today we're breaking it all down. Design, sound, features, battery life. And by the end, you'll know exactly if upgrading makes sense for you. Spoiler alert, there's one feature in the Pro 3 that might surprise you. At first glance, you'd think nothing changed. Same stem, same glossy case, same familiar look. But here's where Apple quietly shook things up. Fit. AirPods Pro 3 now come with 5 ear tip sizes, including an extra small XXS option, plus foam-infused tips. Translation: better comfort, tighter seal, and stronger passive noise isolation. If your Pro 2S ever slipped out mid-run, this is a game changer. Pro 2 still uses 4 silicone tips, solid, but not nearly as stable once you try the new foam setup. Trust me, once you get used to that cushioned lock-in, it's hard to go back. Now, let's talk in silence. Apple claims Pro 3's ANC is twice as effective as Pro 2, and honestly, it's not hype. Plane engines, subway rumbles, even cafe chatter, Pro 3 wipes them out cleaner than ever. Transparency mode also feels more natural. Voices cut through without sounding robotic, and background levels auto-adjust. With Pro 2, ANC and transparency were already excellent, but Pro 3 takes them closer to that cocoon of quiet we all secretly want. If you travel a lot, this upgrade is worth it alone. Both Pros have spatial audio with head tracking, adaptive EQ, and clear playback. But inside Pro 3, Apple redesigned the acoustic system. The result? Deeper bass, cleaner vocals, and a wider soundstage. Now, is it night and day? Not exactly. But once you live with Pro 3, going back to Pro 2 feels flatter. It's kind of like upgrading from HD to 4K. You don't notice at first, but after a while, it's tough to unhear the difference. Here's where Pro 3 really separates itself. Apple slipped in a built-in heart rate sensor. Yup, your earbuds now track your pulse in real time, syncing straight into the fitness app. Pair that with Workout Buddy, which coaches you mid-exercise, and suddenly your earbuds are also a mini personal trainer. And if that wasn't wild enough, live translation. Imagine traveling abroad, asking for directions, and your AirPods translating on the fly. Pro 2? Nowhere near this. Add improved conversation boost and wellness features, and Pro 3 feels less like earbuds, more like a wearable assistant. Here's where it gets interesting. Pro 3 buds last up to 8 hours on a single charge, versus 6 on Pro 2. But the Pro 2 case actually holds more juice overall, 30 hours compared to Pro 3's 24. So if you're constantly recharging on the go, Pro 2's case still wins. Durability though? Pro 3 is rated IP57, meaning tougher protection against dust, sweat, and water. Perfect for gym rats or outdoor runs. Pro 2 has IP54, still fine, but not as rugged. Both launched at $249. But here's the catch. Pro 2 is already seeing discounts, sometimes down to $200 or less. For budget-conscious buyers, that's hard to beat. So, should you upgrade? If you're a traveler, fitness junkie, or you just want the best noise cancellation and smart features, Pro 3 is a real step up. But if you're happy with casual music and calls and you'd rather save some cash, Pro 2 is still an excellent buy. So, what about you? Are you upgrading to Pro 3 or sticking with your trusty Pro 2s? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one.